everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am back for another Stitch Fix unboxing. It is a teeny tiny box. I think if you've watched my videos, you know that the Stitch Fix boxes have been a bit of a miss lately. I didn't ask for anything, but what I'm kind of hoping for is something to wear to a wedding, which I never go to weddings anymore, but I'm going to a casual wedding, and so something kind of new and fun for that would be cool. I have some other boxes I'm going to be opening before the wedding as well, so maybe something will be in there, but we'll see if Stitch Fix just has a better box this time. All right, let's see what I got. Okay, prices and style card. And then look at this tiny bundle. So tiny and cute. Okay. All right. Some white denim, which I'm not gonna lie, I have some white denim, but they're a little tight right now. So maybe these fit a bit better, but they would be fun to keep. Or maybe I should just lose a couple pounds and those fit better. You know, we'll see how that all works out. But these are 1822, which I have never bought anything that's 1822, but I have tried things on and liked it. So, oh, and here's some little workout shorts, which are fun and they feel kind of good, like they would dry fast, kind of wicking, which I kind of have a pair similar to this that I wear when I'm paddleboarding because I don't want to wear like a swimsuit because I'm hopefully not going to fall in, but they're okay if they get wet. All right, and then, oh, this is soft. What do we got here? Okay, so I don't know what else to call this, but heathered. It's black and white, like a heathered. It's really soft. It feels like a workout shirt as well, kind of. It's a funny mix. It's super soft. But the thing that I'm not that into, dun dun dun, with the tie down at the bottom, I don't always love that. It doesn't mean I, wouldn't get it, absolutely, but I tend to shy away from kind of things like that. But it's really soft. Oh, that's cute. Look at that tank top. I like some fun, colorful stripes. Okay, well, we'll try that on. That's cute. I don't have anything like that. And then, what do we have here? And it is a North Face shirt. I like the color. I do like oranges and yellows and things. Is this pink though? I can't tell if it's like a salmon. It looks orange. I don't always feel the need to wear like logo stuff on. If it's cute, sometimes I will, but I tend to not buy that kind of stuff. But if it's a cute shirt, it's cute. What do you do about it? Okay, and it also depends on the price, because sometimes logo stuff, it's expensive and it's just a t-shirt. So we'll see. Okay. I'm kind of excited about trying on the jeans in particular, but let me go try all this on and we'll see how it all fits. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and this tank top is pretty cute. I don't know if I need it, but man, these colors are fun. It's real stretchy and it's fun. It's different. I like it. It's a little bit high collared, so you don't have to be showing off too much. I don't know, I think it's cute. It's like a cream color. I'm not sure it goes with these pants, but I think it's fun. I'm not totally crazy about it, but I like it. All right, and so then I remember why these 1822 jeans stuck in my head. It's because they have fake pockets. Not just like mini pockets, but like fake pockets, like nothing is there, like faux pockets. And I'll just do this all the time. That's why. Also, they're like low rise. They're probably considered a mid, but they're I don't know if I can go back, people. I don't know if I can go back. I can't. What do you think? Oh look, I tried to put my hands in my pocket right there. I mean, they're not particularly flattering anyways, but still, they're not bad. They have a real thick waistband with 2 buttons. It's not too bad. They're really stretchy, but the pockets kill me. Tell me what you think. Is it worth it? And like the low rise, I just feel like if I didn't wear, like, I can even feel like with this, it just feels like you can see a little too much love around this area with this rise of jeans. All right, let me go try on the next outfit, see if it's any better. Be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and it's close. I like the shorts. The shorts are North Face as well, but you can't see it. It's like tone on tone stitched name. And I would wear these a lot because I do a lot of kind of athletic outdoorsy stuff like mountain biking and paddleboarding and just going for walks and stuff. So, or even riding my bike around. I could see wearing these shorts a lot. They're definitely athletic shorts. They're a little bit shorter than I would normally wear for like just casual wear. But for out doing something fun, and I don't know, I think they would be, they're good. Tell me what you think. Okay, and this shirt, oh sorry, this shirt is really soft, but I just don't like the tie. It's Beyond Yoga, and it's nothing special. It's cute, it's comfortable, it's soft. I think the fit is good, but I just don't like the tie. Am I being picky? I like the shorts. Okay, let me go try on the North Face shirt with these shorts, and then I'll have to make some decisions. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the last thing, and it's the North Face shirt. And although it's fine, no issues with it. I mean, I have a million t-shirts. I do like the color, like I'm kind of into like the orange, but I don't know. I don't need a North Face t-shirt. I got a million t-shirts that are super cute. I don't need this guy. But I think I like the shorts the best, but the striped tank top is really cute too. Let's look at prices and then figure out what I'm gonna do. Okay, be right back. Okay, it's time to go over prices. And although I don't think it was a total miss, not much of it was really like perfect for me, or special maybe is what I'm looking for. I liked everything. I think the styling was good. I just think, I don't know, maybe I'm getting too much clothes. I'm much pickier now. But when you do as many boxes as I do, you have to be picky. But I don't think they did a terrible job. I think the pricing is really gonna make some decisions for me. Okay, so let's look. So the black shorts, which are probably my favorite, 40 bucks. I do 40 bucks for some little North Face shorts. What do you think? Okay, okay. I expected those to be higher. All right, and then the orange North Face shirt is only 25. Again, I expected that to be much higher. Again, I don't think I need this t-shirt because I have so many, but that's a really good price for a North Face t-shirt. Okay, the Market and Spruce knit top is 44. Sorry, I have this inside. What do you think? Worth 44? I liked it. I'm not sure I'd wear it all the time. I have so many tank tops too, but unless it's like really special, it's cute though. And it's really comfortable. Okay, that's a tough one. Then this Beyond Yoga t-shirt, this was probably my least favorite thing. It's soft and lovely, and if this is your style, there's a lot of good things about it, but it wasn't perfect, and it's $66. So that is in the no pile. And then these denim, they get me every time because I want to like them because the price is so good. These 1822 white denim are $39. I would pay $50 if you put some pockets in. Just spend 10 extra bucks and put some pockets in. And then I would like these, except for the rise was a little low, but so close. I I think probably I'm gonna keep these. That's it. I don't know. What do you guys think about this box? A little bit better? Terrible? I don't know. I mean, I liked everything for the most part, except for the tie shirt. All right. So if I got everything, it would be minus 53.50. So making the whole box 160.50. That's the cheapest box I've had in a really, really long time. I'm not going to keep everything, so I'll probably just get the $40 shorts. And I think that's great. All right, well, if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. And if you've never tried Stitch Fix, I put my referral code down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.